Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on and off tag notifications on Facebook on PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to turn on and off tag notifications on Facebook on PC. First, just go to Facebook and then click in your profile icon. After that, click on Setting and Privacy and then click on Settings, and then in the left sidebar just scroll down and here Preferences, click on Notifications, and then you see here tags. Click on this pencil icon and for the notifications where you receive these notifications, I already turned it on all, push, email and SMS. If you want to turn it off, for example, you want to turn it off email, just click on it, and here SMS. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, and to turn it on, just click on it again, click on it again. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to turn on and off tag notifications on Facebook on PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.